Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Lesson 1. So this week we are going to be moving into shapes. And our lesson objective for today is I can classify different 2D shapes and see whether they are polygons. Now as a starter, I want you to think, what does the word polygon mean? Take 1 minute to figure this out. Alright, let's see what does that mean. Now, poly means many and gon means angle. So, a polygon simply means a shape with many angles. In order for us to know whether a shape is a polygon or not, there are few properties that we need to know. Number 1, a polygon has to have more than 2 angles and sides. Number 2, it is only made up of straight lines. Therefore, there shouldn't be any curved lines. Number 3, all lines must be connected. If a shape fulfills all of these properties, which means that shape is called a polygon. Now, we know that a polygon must be made more than 2 lines and angles. Therefore, what is the smallest number of angles a shape need to be called a polygon? Yes, you're absolutely right. We need to have a minimum of 3 lines or angles. And what do we call this shape? Yes, we call this a triangle. So a triangle is a polygon. There are many other polygons, like we can see here. Anything with 4 sides or a shape with 4 sides are called quadrilateral. A square, a rectangle, a rhombus, a parallelogram, those are all quadrilaterals because they have 4 sides. And all of those are called polygons. A polygon with 5 sides are called pentagon. A polygon with 6 sides are called hexagon. Whereas a polygon with 7 sides are called heptagon. Any polygon with 8 sides are known as octagon. A polygon with 9 sides are known as nonagon, and a polygon with 10 sides are called decagon. Now, what can you notice with the number of sides and angles with all these polygons? Yes, they are exactly the same. The number of angles and sides for each polygon are the same. And we do know that the properties of polygons is that it should be more than 2 angles, it is consists of straight lines only, and all lines must be connected. But what are the features that link all of these polygons together? Think about today's LO. Yes, we know polygons are 2-dimensional, 2D, which means they are flat. Therefore, another property of a polygon is that it should have a flat surface. Okay, so why do you think a circle is not a polygon? Think carefully of the properties of a polygon. Yes, you're absolutely right, because it is not made up of straight lines. A circle made up of a curved line. Therefore, it is not a polygon. Okay, now I want you to get your whiteboards ready and to identify whether the following shapes are polygon or not. Are you ready? Okay. Now take a look at this shape and the checklist of the properties of a polygon. Put a tick or cross beside each of the properties to decide whether the shape is a polygon or not. Now have a go at this. Yes, this shape is a polygon because it does fulfill all the four properties of a polygon. It has more than two sides or angles. It is made up of straight lines only. All lines are connected, and it is a flat surface. Well done. Have a go at this now. Okay, now this is not a polygon because it does not made up of straight line and it does not have more than two angles or side, although the lines are connected and it's a flat surface. Now have a go at this. Yes, you're absolutely right. This is a polygon. What about this? Nope, it's not. Because all the lines are not connected. Therefore, this is not a polygon. What about this? Yes, you're right, it is not a polygon because it does not made up with straight lines only. There is a curved line in this shape. What about this? Yep, you're right. This is not a polygon because it is not a flat surface. We call this a three-dimensional shape, which we will be looking at in the later part of our maths lesson. Okay, a polygon can be a regular or irregular. A regular simply means all the sides and angles in the polygon are the same. Whereas in an irregular polygon, one or more of the sides and angles are different. A polygon can also be a simple or a complex polygon. A simple polygon simply means none of the lines cross over each other. Whereas in a complex polygon, one or more lines cross over. A polygon can also be a concave or a convex polygon. A concave polygon is where one or more of the angles point inward, whereas a convex polygon, all of the angles point outwards. Okay, now I want you to get your whiteboard ready, okay, and identify what kind of polygon am I. Have a look at the polygons checklist and have a look at the shape that is given. Think carefully whether this shape is a regular or irregular, whether it's a concave or convex, or whether it's a simple or a complex. Put a tick to each of the properties that this shape fulfills. Yep, it is a regular polygon because all the sides and angles are the same. And it is convex because all the angles are pointing outwards. And this is a simple shape because none of the lines cross over. Now have a go at this shape. Now this is an irregular polygon because the sides are different in length. And it is a concave because one of the sides are pointing inward. And this is a simple shape because none of the lines cross over. Well done if you got this right. Now have a go at this one. Okay, let's check. Yeah, this is an irregular because they have different length. It's a convex because all of it are pointing outwards. And it is a complex shape because it crosses over. Now, your task for today is you are going to be making your own polygons. Now, your task is being assigned in Seesaw. Go to Seesaw, open the document, and you can find the instruction on the first page. Click on the link that is given to you. And you now need to make a polygon based on the checklist that is provided. And once you've created that, name the polygons. And when you're done, add a screenshot to the Seesaw document. That's it. And when you're done, click Submit. So take the rest of your time to complete your task for today. All the best. See you then. Bye.